Good morning, children. Now let's start with subject Social Science, chapter 15, Government. Now, children, what is government? Yes, a government is the system, group of people governing an organized community, generally a state. Children, as we know, our country, India, is the largest democracy in the world. Now, children, generally our home is administrated or we can say managed by our elders, right? Similarly, administration or we can say management of country is done by the government. The government word is generally heard in newspapers or televisions. The government is needed to run the administration of nation and it take decisions. Now government work in such a planned way for the development of the country. While working, they keep constitution in their mind and they again reform the rules and regulations. Reforming means to correct and make again and implement that same laws and regulations. Now the question is how the government and members are elected. Yes, as we know, they are elected by the voting of normal people above 18 years. And children, how we come to know about government decisions? Yes, with the help of magazines, newspaper, television, radio, etc. And by many other new technologies. Now children, what is democracy? Democracy means the government of the people, by the people and for the people. Our country follows democratic governance. Government holds the foremost place. Foremost means most important. And our country is a country of diversity. Diversity means the practice of including or involving people from different social backgrounds and different genders, etc. As our country is democratic country in the world with maximum number of voters, so it is difficult to manage the country from one place. That's why our government works at different levels. By this, work can be done smoothly and all the problems and difficulties can be solved. Now, three levels of government are central government, state government and local self-government. Now, local self-government takes charge of village or city. State government takes charge of entire state and central government takes charge of entire nation. And always government is necessary at various levels because formation and implementation of rules and regulations is always done by government. We have already studied about government and its various levels. These levels are useful for the development and maintenance of laws and orders made by government. And the democratic system has been adopted in our country. Now we will study types of governments. Our country has democratic system of governance, but other countries do not have the same system. Now let us understand the types of government found in the various system operating in countries around the world. Now we will start from democratic government. In this type of government, people elect their representatives through voting. and the government is formed by the winning candidates. And the government keep the public in the center means they think for the public. And as we have studied earlier also, local government, state government and central government all are formed by the election. In some countries, chief minister or a prime minister is elected by the elected representative in democracy. But in some countries, presidential democracy is seen. Presidential means in guidance of president. But in our India, there is a parliamentary democracy. And the democratic government is directly or indirectly run by the elected people. And there is no option, no alternative of democracy for protection and promotion of human rights. So, the democratic government is very important for all around development and rights of the people. In democratic government, people play an important role, and in same way government also works for the people. The tenure of elected government in our country is for 5 years. Tenure means time to work. I hope this much is clear to you. Now we will continue further chapter in next video.